Today on our 2016 Acura MDX, we're going to be doing a test fit of the Yakima Roof Rack system. It's going to be part number Y00409, Y00124, and finally part number Y00731. As you can see, we've already got the first one up on the vehicle, and that's going to be spaced off that front windshield 6 inches with a inside measurement from each Q tower of 48 inches. We'll explain how the second one goes together and the final measurements that you need to make. The bar here is going to be your part number Y00409. You're going to have your Q towers, which are going to be part number Y00124. And then finally your fit kit for the vehicle specific, which is going to be part number Y00731. As you can see, we've already got one side on. We'll show you how to put this side on over here. First thing you're going to want to do is get it set up on a flat surface. That way when you set your other Q tower on, it'll sit flat. That way when you get it up on the vehicle, you don't have one side looking like this. Go ahead and slide that Q tower over the end just like so. And then this inside measurement on the back bar needs to be 47 1/4 inches. So we'll get the even amount of space, and we'll take our roll tape and just roll it out to 47 1/4 inches. Looks like it's going to be right about there. And our bar overhang. Oh. Get a level here. So 47 1/4 inches. Then we will take our Allen tool, making sure this is out so that sits flat on the ground. Space out the back part here, and you'll see that there's going to be a screw in here on the inside when you pull this cover back. And we're just going to tighten that down, and that will secure this Q tower in place. Now we'll just make sure that our measurements stay the same and that there was no deviation. Looks like we had a little bit here, so let me adjust this one. That way we can have that right measurement on the inside with the equal amount of bar overhang. So we'll just loosen this side up and just slide it back just a little bit. Tighten it back down, and we'll check this side. This takes just a second to do. You just want to make sure you get it right the first time. That way when you get it up on the vehicle, you don't have any further troubles. Check it all up here real quick. 47 1/4, as you can see there. and 3 1/8 inch overhang on each side. Place our covers on the ends. Those pieces are secure now, the Q towers are. Now we're going to place on the Q clips, and this is going to be your fit kit here. You'll take and you'll place your, we'll rotate it around here so you can see the bottom. And you'll see how that's shaped and how this is shaped. Those little squares will fit down in there. And we'll just press this into place. This will be that protective rubber barrier between your paint and the top of your vehicle and your roof rack system. Once you have that on, we'll then take our clip. And this is going to go underneath the door frame on the inside like you see up there. First, you'll need to remove the safety clip and then the lock set. Now this lock set it will come with the plastic inserts, but you can also get the metal inserts as well. So you slide that down in just like so to where the sides of this will stick through the slots on either side and the holes will line up on the front. Place your lock set back in. Just like so. And then place the clip back over the top, and that will secure that clip into place. From there, we'll take our regular standard screwdriver and open up the back doors. That way we can prep it for putting our rack up on top. All right, now we will place it over the top. Making sure that our feet sit down nicely. And you can see we will need to loosen that up just a little bit. So we'll take our flathead screwdriver or standard screwdriver and loosen that screw on the top until that plate drops right underneath. And then we'll move over to the other side and check it. Just like so. All right, you can see that this side was sitting down further, so we can tighten up this side and bring that screw back up in. Just like so. Kind of working back and forth till we get it right where it needs to be, because you want to make sure that this is as even as possible. All right, now the next measurement we're going to get is going to be our crossbar spread, and that's going to be 32 inches from center to center of your crossbars. That way we can ensure we get it in the right location. And you can see we're pretty close there. We're about 3/4 of an inch off. So we'll just bring this back one forward a little bit till it meets up 32 inches in the center. Now, I'll just check the other side and get it equal. And if it helps, you can use a normal tape measure as well. All right, once we have them even, we'll then close down the side. Just like so. And you'll see like a slight bow in the bar. That'll ensure that you have it tight and secure. So So now that you've seen the Yakima Roof Rack system for the 2016 Acura MDX, part number Y00409, Y00124, and part number Y00731, that'll complete our test fit for today.